Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. I have this spot on my stainless steel cooktop and I'm going to try a few different products and methods to remove the spot, and I thought I'd show you the results. First, let me clean it up so we have a clean slate to work with. We have been thinking that this was a burn and have cleaned it with our regular daily cleaners, and Scott always puts a good scrub on things. He says hot water and elbow grease does wonders, and we have been living with the stain or burn or whatever it is because we figured we couldn't get it off. But then I've been seeing YouTube videos on how the pink stuff is amazing and it gets anything clean, and my friend Jennifer also told me how steel wool or an SOS pad should get anything off of stainless steel. So I started getting hopeful that maybe we could in fact get this spot off, and so here we go. I'm gonna first go in with the BRILLO pad.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good.
I did at first go with the grain, but the box says that if it doesn't get it off, you can go against the grain, so that's what I did. Me going against the grain did scratch the surface, so be careful with that if you don't want the scratches.
We found love here, together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. You got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue eyes, so I can't let you go without telling you this now. I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to
Next, I'm trying a mixture of baking soda and vinegar and using the Rubbermaid Power Brush to scrub it. The Power Brush is linked in the description box. I've been loving this $20 battery operated tool to get that extra scrubbing action and also get into little crevices that you can't get with anything else.
oh, we can make it for the world to see, 'cause now I know you'll be a part of me. I wanna share my hopes and dreams with you, but will I ever see you again? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just
Although it does look slightly better, it doesn't get rid of it, so let's go in with the pink stuff. We actually had a hard time finding this in a store. We found this one lonely container on a clearance end cap at Home Depot. I had looked at Walmart and Lowe's as well. It is available on Amazon though, so I'll have that link below, but I guess that's where everyone is finding it.
love to you, but will I see you when I get there? When I get there, will I see you when I get there? Will I see you when I get there? We found love here, together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. I could travel 1,000 miles.
I can feel the grit through my glove, so I can tell that this is a good cleaner. It's thick. It's kind of like toothpaste with a bunch of baking soda or something gritty in it, and I believe it would really clean anything that is really dirty. But as you can see, it's starting to look like a stain since the steel wool and the gritty pink stuff isn't cutting it.
On a run from my given disaster,
Then Jennifer, my friend at work who also likes to clean, suggested white toothpaste, so I'm trying that next, applying it with my power scrubber. This is what it looks like after all 4 of these methods, but I'm really not able to tell which method made the biggest difference. If you can tell from watching this, let me know in the comments which method you think worked the best to get most of the stain or the discoloration off. I'm curious what your thoughts are. So I was thinking maybe it was the whitening toothpaste, like maybe the peroxide in the toothpaste was lifting the stain. So I went in with more and let it set overnight and wiped it off in the morning. I don't think it changed much here, so it's hard to tell because the sun is coming in the windows in the morning here, but I think it's basically the same. Off camera, Taylor asked if we had tried magic eraser, and I got excited that that would be an answer to this problem, but that didn't make a difference. Thank y'all for watching today. If you love watching cleaning videos, I started another channel dedicated to cleaning, so head on over to Cleaning Gratefully and be sure you're subscribed over there for more grateful cleaning, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!